Hello children, today let us work out Rspl-2 2021 Math Standard Paper. So part A, we will get started with part A. First question here is, write the decimal expansion of rational number 13 divided by 3125. I think you have identified this question, it is a textbook question. So do prime factorization only for the denominator. So you get here 5 raised to 5. So it is 2 raised to 0, 1. So we can take it. So make this 0 will make it into 5 equal to the exponent of the 5. So we multiply into 2 raised to 5 denominator and numerator. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 13 into 32 will be 416. Denominator we have a raised to m into b raised to m will be a into b raised to m. So when exponent is same, we can multiply. So this is the reason we multiply here to get 10 here. So 10, imagine there are 5 zeros. So after 5 digit, it will, the decimal expansion, the decimal point will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point. So we have an OR question also here. In this one, we have to check whether 129 divided by 2 raised to 2 square 7 raised to 5 will have terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating. We know that for a rational number, we need 2 raised to m and 5 raised to n only. We don't need this 7. But one check you should give whether this will get cancelled with the numerator in a simplified form. No, this is 7 raised to 5. This is a small number. It will not get cancelled. It is non-terminating and non-repeating fraction. Decimal expansion. Non-terminating, non-repeating. Rational number. Next one is, represent the following situation in the form of pair of linear equation in two variable. The cost of 2 shirts and 1 pant is 625. 3 shirts and 2 pants together is 1125. This is quite simple. So mention let cost of shirt be rupees x and of pant be rupees y. So 2 shirt 2 into x plus 1 y to 1 pant equal to 625 and 3 shirt. Second case, second thing condition plus 2y, 2 pant together will be 1125. They asked us to frame the linear equation, so we'll frame it here and that's it. Then moving on with the next one. If nth term of an AP is given as 2n plus 1, then what is the sum of the first 3 terms of this AP? Now here you can check. An is given as 2n plus 1. We have to find out S3. S3 will be A1 plus A2 plus A3, right? So first we'll assume that in this one, let n be 1. We'll get first term. First term is equal to A. So in place of n, substitute 2 into 1 plus 1. So we get here 3. A1 is 3. That is first term. Let n be 2. So we get A2 equal to 2 into 2 plus 1, that is we get here 5. So then if you want, you can do it this method, finding D here, A2 minus 1, 2, and then I will show you the alternative method also using this. For now A3, find out A3. We know S3 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. So add all 3, 5 and 7, you will get 15. If at all, alternative method, find D by taking A2 minus A1, and then this would be a lengthy method, but this is a most easy thing. So using universal formula to find the sum, you will get the same answer. Substitute n as 3 and 1. So moving on with the next question, fourth question. If alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial x square plus 6x plus 9, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus alpha and minus beta. So you need to check for this quadratic equation, the zeros are alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta will be minus b by a, alpha into beta will be c by a for this one. So here the given equation x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. So coefficients here will be a equal to 1, b 6 and c is 9. The previous, for this one alpha and beta are the zeros, sum of the zeros. So we get alpha plus beta equal to minus 6. and product of the zeros will be c by a. C here is 9 by 1. So we get alpha into beta is 9. But the new equation which we have to form, where there are minus alpha and minus beta are the zeros. So formula remains same. X square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros is equal to 0. But here minus alpha. I will take minus sign common out from this, and this become minus and this minus become plus. We get here alpha plus beta. The x. Here also minus alpha minus beta. When you multiply, you get here alpha into beta. We know the value for alpha into beta is 9, and that of alpha plus beta is minus 6. Just substitute here x square minus plus into minus 6 minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. So next one, fifth question here is, check whether the pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5, this one 4x plus 6y equal to 10 is consistent or not. To find whether they are consistent, for the two conditions they will be consistent for coincident line and for unique solution. So we will check here to a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So all we will get it as 1 by 2. The condition which obeys here is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So this condition is of coincident line, infinitely many solution. So in this case, the given pair of equation have infinitely many solution, so they are consistent. Next question here is sixth one. Find for what value of k the roots of this. Even in board exam we can expect this type of question from quadratic equation. Do practice more questions of this. For what value of k the roots of equation x square plus 4x plus k equal to 0 are real. So are real. So in two cases they will be real. The given here equation polynomial, in two cases they will be real. When discriminant is equal to 0, then they are equal and real. If it is greater than 0 positive value, then they will be two distinct and real values. So we will combine this together and make these greater than or equal to 0, then the roots will be real. So d equal to b square minus 4ac, which is greater than equal to 0. Bring it as it is. So here b is 4. 4 square minus 4 into 1 into k. K is c. So continue 16 minus 4k. Treat this as equal to sign. The same operation you have to do it. 16 equal to plus 4. So k equal to, here k it should be less than or equal to 4. So we will write it in this form. K should be less than or equal to 4. So for the next question, sixth or question, find the roots of the quadratic equation. So here x square plus 1 whole square minus x square equal to 0. So here first thing strike to me my mind to do this one was to take it as a square minus b square. If we try it that way, we will get x square plus 1 plus x, which don't have roots. Then we will, if we take x square plus 1 minus x, so a plus b, a minus b, which will not work according to that. So we'll try working out this way. A plus b whole square expand in this way. Still we have a problem. This is a biquadratic equation, so 4 zeros, 4 roots should be there. So for that, let us reduce this to a quadratic equation and check whether it really have the roots or not. So what we'll do here, let x square be y. So what happens in this case? It will be x square whole square plus x square plus 1 equal to 0. So this becomes y square, because x square we have taken as y, plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So then we will take discriminant. If root exists, then we will solve the ways. B here is 1. 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. So we have, yes, 1 minus 4. So delta is 3. That is discriminant is minus 3. So it is less than 0. It is having negative value. No real root exists. Roots exist. So we are not going to solve further. No real root exists. I hope you got the first part over here. Now for the seventh question, for what value of k, the product of zeros x square minus 3kx plus 2k square minus 1 is 7. So it is product of zeros, and do check out this equation. This is our variable x square. So a is 1, b will be x part, that is minus 3k. This whole thing will be c. This is alpha into beta. So we will take it this way. So given equation, let alpha and beta be the zeros of the given equation. Then alpha into beta is given, product of the 0 is given as 7. So from here we will write the coefficient. A is 1, B equal to minus 3k, C is equal to 2k square minus 1. So alpha into beta, we know it is C by A. So alpha into beta is given here as 7. C here is 2k square minus 1. A is 1. Cross multiply. 7 equal to 2k square minus 1. 2k square I will leave here. Minus 1 will send it that side. We get 8. K square equal to 8 divided by 2. K square equal to 4. So k will be plus or minus square root of 4. K is plus or minus 2. So your answer k value will be plus or minus 2. Our eighth question, next one. In the figure, PA and PB are the tangents to the circle at A and B point of contact respectively. If O is the center of circle and AOB, this part is given 140, find APB here. So we know that this will be 40, but how do we script it? Our answer script. So given, write given over here to find APB, we will write here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Since here OA is perpendicular to PA, it is a theorem perpendicular to PB. So it is 90 degree. So according to the quadrilateral rule, angle sum property, sum of all the angle is 360 degree. Since these two are already 180, so we will have angle AOB plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. The other two angles. So we know this as 140. So APB equal to 180. So angle APB is equal to, therefore 180 minus 140, 40 degree. Next question, ninth one. In the figure, if AB is parallel to DC, find the value of x. So this is a figure here. Only one thing given in this case, that ninth question here, it is in the given figure AB is parallel to DC, find the value of x. So only one thing is given, that is AB is parallel to DC. So first we will have to show that these two triangles are similar. Then we will take the sides are proportional to prove one vertically opposite angle and one alternate angles. So here in triangle AOB and triangle DOC, angle AOB is equal to angle DOC, vertically opposite angle. Then one more ODC is equal to, here OAB I will take. This side it is AOB. So OAB, here OAB will be equal to OCD. The other one also you can. OCD. So this is alternate angles. Since AB is parallel to DC, therefore triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC by AA criteria. When they are similar, then the sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. DO by OB equal to AO by OC. See, DO by OB. I told here, I took first this triangle DO by OB. So we'll go with here OC divided by AO. OC divided by AO. Now substitute here. This is x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 equal to x plus 3 divided by x plus 5. Here. So now cross multiply. You get here x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. This one multiplication. This is x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Then x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. X square cancel. So we get here x square minus 2x is equal to minus 3 plus 10. X is equal to 7 centimeter given. 7 centimeter or 7 units. Yeah, we'll write it 7 units. Next question. What is the distance between two parallel tangents of circle of radius 7 centimeters? So here parallel tangents are always drawn at the end of the diameter. So here AB is diameter. So PQ is parallel to RS. Tangent PQ is parallel to RS, which are drawn to the ends of the diameter. So distance between two tangents, that is PQ and RS, is equal to AB, that is 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. Here 7 plus 7, 14 centimeter. 11th or question. A tangent PQ at point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter meet line through the center O at point Q so that OQ is 12 centimeter. Find the length of PQ. So the figure will be here. OQ will be 12 centimeter, which is given. Radius OP, which is perpendicular to PQ, point of contact. So OQ is given 12. We have to find the length of tangent PQ. So in triangle OPQ, this is perpendicular 90 degree. So this will be hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem. I have just written it since it is easy. So it will be 144 minus 25. PQ value will be root of 119. 12th question. Here it is. Simplify 1 plus tan square theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. A minus b, a plus b, we will put it as a square minus b square. So here we get 1 plus tan square, I will write it as secant square theta. This will be 1 minus cos square theta. So, sorry, 1 minus. Next question, simplify 1 plus tan square theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So we will write here 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. A minus b, a plus b will be a square minus, this is sine, okay, sine square theta. So now this I will write it as 1 by cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Cancel. Your value will be 1. 13th question. Cot theta is 7 by 8. Evaluate this one. This is textbook question. So you might have done this some many times. So cot theta here is 7 by 8. Cot theta will be adjacent by opposite. So this is adjacent, opposite, find out hypotenuse. So we will need for sine. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Sine will be 8 by root of 113. Cos will be 7 by root of 113. So this is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, both in numerator and denominator. Sine value substitute, 8 by 1 root of 113. This will be 64. This square and square root cancel. I hope you all have done this simplification. Finally, this 1 I have put 1 by 1 to take LCM. It will become 113. So 113 cancel. You will get 49 divided by 64. Final answer. Next 14th question. Find area of the sector of circle with radius 14 centimeter and length of the corresponding arc is 22 centimeter. So we know here given area of the sector, it is theta by 360 pi r square. So either you can go, because theta is not given, find length of the arc is given, take it this formula and find out theta, come up to this formula, or we have a formula which connects with length of the arc with the radius. So area of the sector will be 1 by 2, length of the arc here is 22, radius is 14. Since it is 1 mark, you can use this. It is 154 centimeter square. 15th one, the circumference of base of the cone. Base of the cone will be circular, is 44 centimeter, height is 9, find its volume. So let's take a cone. If we consider here cone and circumference of this one, base will be 2 pi r. So C equal to 2 pi r, 44 given, 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So 44 equal to 44 divided by 7 into r. Cancel this. So r will be equal to 7 meter. We have to find out volume. Volume of the cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So after substituting 1 by 3 pi r square h, r here is 7, which we got in. Then we will get you after cancellation 462 meter cube. So the volume will be 462 meter cube. 16th question, statistics. If sum of the frequency is 11 and Fi, Fxf group frequency, here it is 2p plus 52 and mean is given as 6, find the value of p. So here given things, mean x bar is, this is the product of the frequency and the class mark. This is given 6, 2p plus 52 divided by 11, cross multiply, 66 equal to 2p plus 52, 66 minus 52 equal to 2p. So we have here 2p equal to 14 and p equal to 7. Therefore p equal to 7. Last question of part A. Find mode, this is 16 or using empirical relation, given that mean is 10.5 and median is 9.6. So we need to find mode. So we will write the empirical formula in this format. So median here is 9.6, 3 into 9.6 minus 2 into 10.5. This is 28.8 minus 21.0. So find 8.8. Mode is 8.8. Empirical formula can be written as 2 mean equal to 3 median minus mode as well. Whatever the question asks for you.